बैंक आईक्यू में आपका स्वागत है। आज के इस वीडियो के माध्यम से हम प्रेपोजिशंस के 30+ क्वेश्चंस को कवर करेंगे। आप वीडियो को पॉज कर करके इन क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व करने की कोशिश कर सकते हैं। स्टार्टिंग ऑन विद द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, आई टोल्ड हिम दैट ही कुड नॉट कैच अ बिग फिश डैश अ स्मॉल रॉड। यहाँ पर विद आएगा। I told him that he could not catch a big fish with a small rod. So यहाँ पर with will be the correct answer. He was taken dash task for shortage in cash balance. He was taken to task. He was taken to task for shortage in cash balance. Taken to task. You're taken to task. He was taken to task by the principal for not completing the assignment or for missing the exam. So taken to. That's a correct answer. The father pulled dash his son for his extravagant habits. The father pulled up his son for his extravagant habits. He is so clever, it is difficult to see dash his tricks. यहाँ पर through का प्रयोग होगा. He is so clever, it is difficult to see through his tricks. So यहाँ पर the correct preposition would be through his tricks. The shopkeeper refused to bargain dash the customer. The shopkeeper refused to bargain with the customer. Shopkeeper ने refuse कर दिया to bargain with the customer. You bargain with someone here because यहाँ पर person है. Bargain with. He did not believe dash bargaining. He did not believe in bargaining. यहाँ पर in bargaining, that's going to be the correct answer. The correct preposition in bargaining. He had already decided dash a fair price. He had already decided on a fair price. यहाँ पर on will be the correct answer. He had already decided on a fair price. The customer was looking dash a bargain. So the customer was looking into a bargain. यहाँ पर ये सही उत्तर हो जाएगा. They argued dash the price for a long time. They argued over. अगर कोई issue है, so you argue over that particular thing. So they argued over the price for a long time. बहुत देर तक वो argue करते रहे price को लेकर. I am angry dash her dash lying. I am angry with her. You are angry with someone, right? You're angry with her for lying at this particular juncture. I'm angry with her. या फिर हम लोग anger के लिए at use करते हैं. I'm angry at him. I'm mad at him. I was red dash anger at his remarks. I was red with anger. I was red with anger at his remarks. तो यहाँ पर with will become the correct answer. Could you explain this rule dash me please? Could you explain this rule to me please? Could you explain it to me? Could you explain this theorem to me? That will be the correct usage. People have always been dash me. People have always been kind to me. People have always been kind to me. लोग हमेशा से they have always been kind to me. Try to cut a dash a sharp knife. Try to cut it with a sharp knife. आप किसी चीज को किसी की सहायता से काटोगे, so try to cut it with a sharp knife. He was accused theft. He was accused of theft. चोरी के लिए. So he was accused of theft. She threw the ball at me. She threw the ball at me. You're throwing the ball at someone. She threw the book at the principal. She threw the book at her mother. She threw the book at me, or she threw the ball at me. He is suffering dash a chronic disease. He is suffering from. So आप suffer from करेंगे, especially if it's the case of a disease. So you suffer from a disease. I congratulated her dash her wedding. I congratulated her on her wedding. So on her wedding, I congratulated her. The post office will compensate us for the loss. ये compensate करेंगे for the loss. ये इसका correct usage हो जाएगा. The scene dash of us is magnificent, isn't it? The scene in front of us is magnificent, isn't it? So in front of यहाँ पर सही correct answer हो जाएगा. It is against my nature to pick a quarrel with anyone. So यहाँ पर with anyone will become the correct answer choice. It is against my nature to pick up a quarrel with anyone. I can't climb dash that high roof. मैं उतना लंबी roof नहीं चढ़ सकती. I can't climb up that high roof. So up will be the correct answer choice. I haven't seen a movie dash the end of February. I haven't seen a movie since the end of February because एक particular time slot given है. The beauty of Venice consists dash the style of its ancient buildings. The beauty of Venice consists of the style of its ancient buildings. So यहाँ पर of will be the correct answer choice. My insomnia was bad enough dash me to seek advice dash a psychiatrist. So यहाँ पर my insomnia was bad enough for me to seek advice from a psychiatrist. So for me, for someone, और यहाँ पर from, you're seeking advice from so and so, from somebody specific. The method I was taught came dash a girl guide. जो method that I was taught was coming from the girl guide, was coming from, so from a girl guide. He owns a mansion girdled dash a black path. He owns a mansion girdled with a black path. She swims every day dash the summer. She swims every day during the summer. So during some period, she's swimming every day. World War II lasted dash more than 5 years. So World War II जो है, that was lasting for more than 5 years. They work every day dash 7 a.m. They work every day from 7 a.m. He spoke dash me. He spoke to me. You're speaking to someone. He spoke to me. India became a republic dash 1950. India became a republic in 1950. आप मुझसे इंस्टाग्राम पे नीरजा रहेजा के नाम से जुड़ सकते हैं. आज जो हम लोगों ने 30+ प्रेपोजिशन के क्वेश्चंस को देखा, ये आपके प्रीवियस ईयर्स के पेपर से लिए गए हैं. यहाँ पर हमने देखा कि किस प्रकार से सिंपल येट इम्पॉर्टेंट प्रेपोजिशंस को हमारे एग्जाम्स में पूछा जाता है. अगर आपको कोई भी डाउट है इन क्वेश्चंस में और अदरवाइज प्रेपोजिशंस के टॉपिक पे, तो आप इसे कमेंट सेक्शन पे लिख सकते हैं.